What if I told you there is a simple word that captures everything, from a fleeting thought to a deeply held belief? Today, we are demystifying the word notion. So, what exactly does notion mean in English? At its core, a notion is an idea, a belief, or a concept, especially a vague or imperfect one. Think of it as a thought that has just formed in your mind, or general understanding of something. Let us look at some easy examples. You might say, I had a sudden notion to travel the world. Here, notion refers to a spontaneous idea or impulse, or perhaps he had no notion of how much work it would take. In this case, it means he had no understanding or awareness of the effort required. Another example. The notion that everyone can be an astronaut is quite appealing. Here, notion refers to a general concept or belief. Now, for some synonyms. Words like idea, concept, belief, opinion, impression, or whim can often be used interchangeably with notion, depending on the context. So, whether it is a small spark of an idea, a general understanding, or a personal belief, notion is the word that ties them all together. It is a versatile term for those thoughts and concepts buzzing in our minds.